Breakfast is perhaps the most important meal of the day, and yet the most challenging to prepare because who really has time to spend cooking and cleaning first thing in the morning? However, with a little planning, you can put your steam oven to good use to prepare a variety of healthy foods, many of which can be cooked in advance and quickly reheated. Poached eggs are very easy to cook in a steam oven. Simply set the oven in the steam mode, defaults to 212 degrees, crack an egg into a lightly oiled ramekin or a silicone cup, and cook for approximately 5 to 6 minutes, depending on the size of the egg. You can slip a poached egg onto an English muffin breakfast pizza, or you can add some cooked vegetables and cheese to the ramekin before adding the egg. You can even prepare poached eggs like this, refrigerate them when cool, and simply reheat them. In that case, be sure to consume the prepared eggs within 3 days. Of course, you can also steam eggs for hard-boiled or eggs with a softer yolk to enjoy with toast or a grain bowl. There is definitely a lot to be said for overnight oats, but did you know you can cook oatmeal in the steam oven? It's so easy. Simply add the oats to a bowl, add water or your preferred milk, and cook in the steam mode for approximately 6 minutes for old-fashioned oats. Even if you leave the oats in the oven for 10 minutes, they will be just fine. It's a no-fuss, easy, healthy breakfast. These hearty muffins with grated carrots, apple, walnuts, and coconut are the perfect snack to keep on hand for breakfast. They're very easy to make and they freeze well. Of course, you could also make egg and bacon muffins or individual egg bakes and simply reheat them as needed. The ones I made have potato, chorizo, and cheddar, so they have a little spicy tang to them. Even some desserts work well for breakfast, such as this blueberry peach crisp with an oatmeal topping. You can enjoy it for dessert with ice cream, reheat it for breakfast, and serve it with a dollop of yogurt. It's one of those dishes that just keeps on giving. So you can see, with a little planning and some advanced cooking, it's fairly easy to load the refrigerator and freezer with a variety of delicious healthy foods that work well for breakfast or any time and can be quickly cooked or reheated in the steam oven. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.